Let's learn how to graph the linear equation y equals 3/5 x using slope-intercept form. First, let's understand what this equation tells us. The equation is already in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. In our equation, the slope m is 3/5, and since there's no constant term, the y-intercept b is 0. Let's create our coordinate system. Since our y-intercept is 0, our line will pass through the origin. The slope of 3/5 means that for every 5 units we move right, we move up 3 units. Let's understand what 3/5 means as a slope. The numerator, 3, represents the rise, how many units we go up. The denominator, 5, represents the run, how many units we go right. So from any point going right 5 and up 3 will give us another point on our line. Let's plot some points using the slope, starting from the origin. Going right 5 and up 3 gives us the point 5, 3. We can do this again from that point to get 10, 6. Going in the opposite direction from the origin, left 5 and down 3 gives us the point -5, -3. Now that we have our points, we can draw our line through them. Notice that the line goes up as we move right, which makes sense because our slope is positive. The slope of 3/5 tells us that the line rises 3 units for every 5 units it runs, giving us this particular steepness. To verify any point on this line, we can substitute its x-coordinate into our equation y equals 3/5 x to find its y-coordinate. For example, when x is 5, y equals 3/5 times 5, which equals 3, giving us the point 5, 3 that we plotted earlier. And that's how we graph y equals 3/5 x. Remember, the slope-intercept form helps us identify the slope and y-intercept, and the slope fraction tells us exactly how to move from point to create our line.